showing you how to make spinach, our popular side dish, sabzi. It is super simple to make, it's nutritious, absolutely delicious, and it is combination of herbs, spices, and of course itself spinach. It is a vegetarian side dish, but if you like, you can add some chicken, lamb, or beef. So, if you're hungry, let's cook together. Okay, so for this recipe, we need some leeks, mix of herbs, which is coriander and parsley, some spinach, of course, green pepper, garlic, coriander, salt, and some oil. That's it, that's all. So a little tip for this one, I'm not going to use the white part, I'm just using the green part. Guys, so these are all chopped and ready to cook. Spinach, leek, mix of herbs, and my spice. So put it on a high heat, and we're putting our oil now. That's enough. Okay, we're frying our leek. Just keep in mind we're frying this before any other herb or spinach. We will just fry this about 4 minutes.
There you go.
Okay, so it is frying time. We're frying our garlic, our chili.
How many tablespoons is that?
Oh, yeah, it is 1 tablespoon and 4 pieces of spice, chili, 1 tablespoon of coriander, 1 tablespoon salt. So we will fry these for about a minute. It's time for my herbs to add them right now. In about 2 minutes, we will fry everything together. I wish you guys could smell this, but it is really good. It's amazing. I'm really excited about this one because it's my favorite dish as well. It is time to add my spinach. Nice and slow. and mix them all together so they all cook the same. So our food is almost ready, and it's been cooking for about 35 minutes, and it's really nice and shiny and it's well done. So let's see. Try this out and let's see. Hello?
It smells
you know what's
really
happening?
good. And I'm gonna taste it for you because that smells really good. And do you want? No,
No,
okay.
you go first.
You guys, it's amazing. It's amazing. Maybe you should try it.
Woohoo!
Oh my god, it's so good. I'll give it to you after. Wait.
Can I try?
Oh my
Let's
god.
see. Is it
It's
that good?
spicy,
Really?
but like good spicy.
Mmm.
It's really, really good.
Wow. That's
Yum.
good. Alright, so that's it. And thank you so much for watching.
Oh,
Until
wait.
next.
Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to like her videos because you should. If you want to see more of these yummy, delicious food, you should subscribe, leave a comment, and
Yeah. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.
bye.